Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 5th, 2022. We're going to talk about plug power today. And we're going to talk about how the recent pullback in plug power is not going to derail the bull case that we're noticing on the price chart. Yeah, if you guys want to see what I think now regarding plug power and whether or not the market's going to go up, you guys clicked on a great video because I am here. You guys can see already in front of you, I have a price prediction already on the chart for plug power. I'm looking for the market to ride up, to go up. Now you guys can see right now, it really hasn't happened, but let's not get it twisted. The market is still primed to see the market move higher. And I'm here to talk about that, from the chart perspective and give you a viewpoint as to how you need to act when you see the market not initially go your way. You may become nervous. You might be fearful. You might question, what should I do? The market always gives us how we should be acting, what we should be thinking. And I'm going to talk about that today for plug power. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to my channel. I want to show you how you walk and how you're supposed to act when you participate in a market full of sharks. Check this out. I did a video in plug power on June the 1st, right? Here it is. And I was looking for the price to go up. Now, it's fair to say that, yeah, we saw price go up in plug power, but it wasn't big, right? It wasn't a monumental move. Looking at the market run up to around $23.50 because that's where my ultimate TP price currently is. We didn't see that yet, right? The market, I would say after June the 1st, the high on June 8th ran up to $19.70. That was it. It didn't go no higher than that. Price came all the way back down. Okay, cool. Now you may be saying, well, the market hasn't gone up. That's true. You're right. It didn't go up. But did you notice this though? You guys can see that I got my support price right there around 14, right? Do you see that? I got it around $14. And when the market in plug power following June the 8th came down, what happened? Take a look. What happened on June the 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, and the 17th? What happened on those days? Yes, the buyers propped up plug power's price. That tells us that our original intention that we did on the 1st of June is still applicable. See, the market tells you how you should be acting. It tells you what you should be thinking. Since we saw these days of the market in plug power trading right here, and the market did not crack below our $14 support area, tells us that we still need to stay the course. Still tells us that there's still an opportunity for the market in plug power to go up in price. The sad part is that it's taking longer than what we anticipated. That's the only thing that is going against us. It's how long the market is going to take to move up into our price target area. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to extend our price prediction. And we know that as long as plug power's price maintains 14, price trades above it, we are going to look for the market to go up. Now, I'm going to zoom out because I want us all to see this. I want all of us to see that we are definitely in a downtrend though. All right, you see that? We're in a downtrend. So under any movement higher, we have to be prepared to take the bag. This is not one of those, I'm not one of those YouTubers that tell you all to come in and buy every dip and tell you that the stock is on discount and the stock is about to move 10x. No, because I see off the chart that there are some points that there are sellers and that they're going to come in and hit the market with sell orders, and then you're going to be placed in a bad position and the market's not going no higher than that. For instance, right here. Okay, we've already seen it. We've been here before. Okay. The market currently is getting rejected around 20. We got it. Cool. Since we know that sellers are there, then that means when the price runs up to around 20, guess what? Yeah, you need to take some of this profitability out of the market and give it to yourself. Because if you don't, somebody else is going to come and grab and take it. Like I tell you, this is a market full of sharks. So that's going to be our first price target though. Right there around 20. Now, that gives us what? 7%. We'll take it. Now let's look at this though. Okay, let's look at this on a weekly chart because I want to show you all that over the last couple of weeks, the market in Plug Power hasn't really gone anywhere. So over all of these weeks, right? This is 8 weeks of the market in Plug Power trading above $14. I'm here to tell you, the longer that we see price hover above $14, the bigger that we'll know, or the more we'll know that buyers are supporting the price or that they're buying the stock there. And we've seen it so far for 8 consecutive weeks. Okay, I'm just here to give you all the real. That's good to see that. Now, 2 weeks. Okay, you guys can see over the last couple of 2 weeks, we saw the market go down, and then it goes up, then it goes down, and then it goes up. There's still sellers here. Yeah. But I would say that the buyers are kind of inching out a little bit more victorious than the sellers because they're not going anywhere. The sellers are not impacting the price down. Now, let's say that we reach up to $20 and we still see the sellers there. We might need to let it go there. Just saying. Okay. This is Plug Power on the 3 weeks. So you guys can see we have 3 days and 9 hours left on this current 3 weekly price bar, and we really haven't seen anything. Like, the volume is light, the price spread is small. What is really going on in the space in Plug Power? Where are the sellers at? Five weeks. Okay. So I'm not changing my price prediction. I just wanted to come in and show you how you should be acting when the market is not actually moving in your price direction. Like, this is how you're able to come in and do a quick analysis to say, am I still good? You know, is the price still anticipated to move up? Let me see what's been going on. So you come in and you look at the chart, and yes, so far the market looked like it's still primed to go up. This is how you're able to know, because I get so many comments on my videos of people saying, well, you know, what should I do now? Always come back and look at the situation. Because when we did our first price prediction on June the 1st in Plug Power, we didn't have all of this information right here. Like, none of this was here then. But now we have it. And now we're able to include it in our original price prediction and say, all right, so since we see this going on, am I still sitting pretty? Am I still golden? Because if I am, then I just need to kick back and chill out until the market moves in my direction. But if these days, these 3-day price bars right here was looking weaker, then we would have said, I need to cut the play because the market is not trending the way I expected it to go. And it doesn't require no discount cash flow, no 8 pillars, no fundamental analysis, no technical analysis. People actually tell us what they're trying to do. That's why money is so powerful, because people are not lying when it comes to whether or not they're buying and selling. Like, you cannot lie about it. And what you buy is already a mental conviction. You understand that, right? You are mentally convicted when you come in and buy these stocks. And if the majority of the market is under that same conviction, we'll see it on the chart. We'll know that, hey, more people are believing in this stock. We might want to join the team with them. And then the moment that it switches, and we're seeing that people are not feeling as confident as they once did in Plug Power, we need to sell it. It's just that simple. So join me. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. And as always, make sure you maintain your profitability and trade different.